Hi there, students. To meet. Notice the spelling M-E-T-E. It's almost always as a verb to meet out. Don't confuse it with pleased to meet you or we've got meat for lunch. Okay? Meet. This is different. To meet out, to distribute or to allot, but not tangible things. I wouldn't say he meted out the food. No, normally we mete out punishment. You could mete out justice. You could mete out praise or blame. You could mete out a certain type of treatment. You could mete out revenge. You could mete out a blow, a kick, a punch. You could mete out violence. So to mete out means to give to the people who you think should get it, to give this to who you think deserves it, to administer or bestow. But you need to be very careful about the things that you use. So justice, punishment, praise, blame, criticism, treatment, revenge, violence, a blow. The judge meted out severe punishments to the criminals. He administered, he gave them severe punishment. The boss meted out praise where it was due. He praised the people who deserved to be praised. The prison guard meted out harsh treatment to the prisoners. During the fight, he meted out blow after blow to his attackers. He meted out kicks and punches. So to distribute, to give each person their deserved proportion. The teacher meted out detentions to all the children involved. The court meted out a small fine. A dictator can mete out punishment as he sees fit. Let us see what life metes out for us in the future. Okay, so it's got this idea of distribute, but distribute not tangible things, yeah? Distribute particularly punishment. Okay, there are a couple of other uses for to mete. In the Bible they use to mete or to mete out, meaning to measure out, to be a reasonable, justified amount. And then there's also another meaning of mete, a boundary stone. This is very unusual, and you're not probably going to meet, double-E-T, this word normally. Yeah? So a mete, a boundary stone, a marker, a limit. And that comes from meta in Latin, a post, a goal, a marker. Okay, so to mete out, to give, to distribute. Yeah? But not tangible things. Now, next question, what about formality? I actually think this to mete out is probably only a 6 in formality. Phrasal verbs tend to be less formal. I think you could probably use to mete out justice or to mete out punishment in an informal conversation, although you might use the word distribute. But most certainly use it in something semi-formal and even in something very formal. He meted out the punishment the boy deserved. Yeah? When it comes to a fight, he can mete it out. So notice it's separable as well. Okay, notice as well, to meet is a regular verb, meted, but one T. He is meting out praise to everybody, one T again. But a regular verb. He has meted out compliments to the ladies, and now he will mete out criticism to those who deserve it. As to origin, in Old English we have a word metan, meaning measure. And this you can trace back to Proto-Indo-European, med, meaning measure or consider. Okay, so to mete out, but you need to be careful the things that you mete out. Mete out justice, particularly to mete out punishment. You could mete out praise. You could mete out a type of treatment. The treatment meted out to refugees is not fair. Okay, so these are the types of things you mete out. So there you go. I hope you've understood that one. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To mete out.